Welcome back to Auto Legends. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of the future, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Home Truck. This isn't just a truck. It's a revolution in mobile living and a bold statement from Chevrolet that combines timeless design with cutting-edge innovation. At first glance, the Bel Air Home Truck pays homage to its classic namesake, blending retro charm with futuristic aesthetics. The front grille showcases a sleek, modernized take on the 1950s Bel Air style. It's complete with chrome accents that gleam in any light. LED lighting wraps around the truck, ensuring visibility and style whether you're cruising highways or parked under the stars. Just step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious, fully integrated living space. Chevrolet has redefined comfort with a modular interior design that includes a spacious sleeping area, a compact yet functional kitchenette, and a high-tech workstation for digital nomads. Every inch of the interior feels premium, with sustainable materials like recycled leather and eco-friendly wood accents. The panoramic sunroof and adaptive LED lighting create an atmosphere that transitions seamlessly from work mode to relaxation. But this truck isn't just about comfort. It's a powerhouse on wheels. Equipped with Chevrolet's state-of-the-art EV technology, the Bel Air Home Truck boasts a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, delivering over 600 horsepower and a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capabilities mean you can go from 20 to 80 battery in under 30 minutes, making it perfect for long-distance adventures. When it comes to functionality, the 2025 Bel Air Home Truck doesn't hold back. Its retractable solar panels provide additional energy, while the integrated water filtration system ensures you're never far from clean water. The Smart Control Hub allows you to manage everything from climate settings to energy consumption with just a few taps on your smartphone. Safety remains a top priority, with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. Whether you're navigating rugged terrain or urban streets, this truck keeps you confident and secure. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Home Truck is more than a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade combining nostalgia, innovation, and versatility. It's set to redefine what it means to travel on your terms. With Chevrolet's commitment to sustainability and design excellence, this truck is ready to lead the way into a new era of mobile living. Thanks for watching Auto Legends. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what excites you most about the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air Home Truck. See you next time.